Welcome to English for All with Khadija USA, learning step by step at your own pace.
Eyes Open 3. Unit 5. Lesson 22. Let's talk.
Welcome back to Eyes Open 3, designed especially for 9th grade level. Open up your students' books, Unit 5. Let's talk. Page 52. Let's talk. In this unit, you will be learning vocabulary for communication, communication collations, communication verbs, as well as phrasal verbs. Your language focus will be will, might, may, adverbs of possibility, and probability, definitely, probably. Then you will be learning first conditional. The aims for the unit will be, you will be able to describe different ways of communicating, talk about events that I'm sure and not sure about in the future, talk about possible situations in the future, understand about English as a world language, as well as reassuring someone, and writing an essay about the best way to communicate. Student book, page 53. Vocabulary Communication. Section 1. Go ahead, take a listen to the audio. Match the words in the box with the pictures A through F. Which pictures are missing? Then listen, check, and repeat.
Eyes Open, Students' Book 3, by Ben Goldstein and Kerry Jones, with Owen Higgins. Copyright Cambridge University Press 2015. CD 2. Track 1. Listen, check, and repeat. A.
Chatting.
B.
Phone call.
C.
Skype.
D.
Email.
E.
Forum.
F.
Text message.
Section 2. Match the missing pictures from Exercise 1 to the definitions. At this time, go ahead and pause the video, answer this exercise, and then resume for your corrections. Section 3. Match the comments with the form of communication from the box in Exercise 1. And number 4, go ahead, take a listen to the conversation. What forms of communication do they talk about from Exercise 1?
CD 2. Track 2. Listen to the conversation.
Did you see that text message from Brendan? The video of the cat was very funny.
Yeah, it was great. But I've seen it before. I saw it in a tweet last week.
Cats. They're everywhere. Everyone posts videos and photos of cats. Look, there are 3 Facebook posts here with cats.
Yeah, I've seen that one before. Aw, just look at his face.
Oh, hold on. I've got an email. Oh, it's from Paula. Why is she sending me an email?
Be careful. It might be a virus.
No, it's just more cat photos. Look.
Oh, I've seen them before. Did you know there's a forum just for cat photos?
I've got an idea. I think I'll write a blog post about cats on the internet. Why are they so popular?
A blog post about cats? Didn't you read my blog last week? I've already written about that.
Corrections, Section 3 and 4. Pause the video and review your corrections. Student Book, page 56, Vocabulary, Communication Verbs, Section 1. Now take a listen to the audio. Complete the sentences with the correct form of the words in the box. Then listen and check.
CD 2, Track 6. Listen and check. 1,
Don't argue with me. You know that I'm right.
2,
You shouldn't complain about the bad weather. What do you expect in England in November?
3,
I don't like him. He's always gossiping about people behind their backs.
4,
It's true that she does well at school, but she doesn't need to boast about it.
5,
You shouldn't joke with your friends about something serious. They might not think it's funny.
6,
Emmett is my friend, so don't criticize him. And anyway, nobody's perfect.
7,
Shh! I'm trying to study. If you want to talk, please whisper.
8,
Those boys are always shouting. They're so noisy.
Corrections, Section 1. Section 4, Listening, Short Conversations. Work with a partner or individually. Look at the photos of 4 different conversations and answer the questions. Section 5. Take a listen to this audio. Listen to 4 short conversations, match the photos, and exercise 4 to the conversations. Once you have done that, pause and continue to do your assignment. If you are finished, resume for corrections.
CD 2, Track 7. Listen to the short conversations. Conversation 1.
What's the matter, Serena? I'm really tired of school, work. It's so boring. But there are a lot of subjects you like, aren't there? Not today. I only have subjects I hate on Tuesdays. Don't complain. You'll be on holidays soon. But that's weeks away. Listen, if you pass all your exams, we'll have a holiday abroad this year. But that's difficult, Mum. Don't argue with me. That's my promise.
Conversation 2.
And it's Smith. And it's still Smith. And Smith puts it in the box. And it's there! 1-1.
Yes! Goal! Goal! Yes, come on!
Hey, can you stop shouting, please, Nick?
Oh, come on, Alex. Why aren't you watching the match?
I told you, Nick, I don't like football.
What? We'll be in the cup final if we win tonight.
So?
Aren't you a fan?
I was, but not anymore. I play football better than they do.
So you like boasting, right?
Yes, I do. I'm the best at everything.
Conversation 3.
Hey, Tina. Did you see what happened to Rachel? No, what? They sent her home. She was wearing too much makeup. Really? I'm not surprised. She was wearing strange clothes yesterday as well. Don't gossip, Bella. She's my friend. I know, but it's big news, isn't it? Yeah, I know. But don't criticize her. Why not? Okay, but don't whisper. You make it so obvious. I just don't understand Rachel. She knows the rules. If you wear makeup, they'll send you home.
Conversation 4.
Come on, David. The concert starts in an hour.
1 second, Paul. I just have to check I've got the tickets.
Hey, do you know? If you're first in the queue, you'll get to meet the band.
What?
I promise you, it's true. It's a competition. The band tweeted it this morning.
So, let's go now. I want to be first.
You won't meet the band if you're late.
So, you are joking?
Yes, sorry. I just want you to hurry up.
Correction, Section 4 and 5. At this moment, take time and pause the video and look for your corrections. Workbook, page 47. Vocabulary Communications, Section 1. Match the words and phrases with the correct definitions. Number 1 is done for you as an example. Section 2. Write communication words from Exercise 1 next to the correct definitions. Section 3. Complete the text about how Josh's brother communicates. Section 4. How do you and your friends communicate? Answer the questions and write at least 5 sentences. Workbook, page 49, Listening and Vocabulary. Section 1. Go ahead and take a listen to this audio to Olga and Tanya discussing something Tanya has done. Which sentence is true?
Track 5. Listen and answer.
Listen, are you having problems with your Facebook page? I tried to post a message saying happy birthday on your timeline yesterday, but I couldn't find it.
No, I've deactivated it.
Deactivated it? What does that mean?
Well, it's still there, but no one can see but me.
Why did you do that?
Oh, lots of reasons. First, because I spend too much time on Facebook.
Okay, but can't you just use it less? If you don't use Facebook, you won't know what's happening with your friends.
Why? I'll find out what's happening with my real friends. I can talk to you.
Well, of course you can. I agree with that.
And another reason is that I'm bored with reading stupid posts from people. People boast about how many friends they have when they haven't even met some of them. Or people gossip and criticize other people. It's easy to be cruel online.
Yes, someone tweeted some really horrible things, but no one can post on your Facebook page if you don't know them. You don't have to deactivate it.
Well, no, but the other thing is that I want to stop people I don't know finding out personal things about me. People can post photos of you and tag you, and then people you don't know can click on the tag and see information about you. It's really difficult to keep things private.
Yes, I suppose we should all be more careful.
Anyway, I've decided to deactivate my account. It's an experiment to see if I can live without it for a month. I'll use the time I normally spend socializing online, talking to my real friends face to face or on Skype. After a month, I'll decide. I might delete it or I might activate it again.
Interesting. I must go. I'm late. I'll Skype you after school for a chat.
Section 2. Read the sentence and circle the correct options. Number 1 is done for you as an example. Section 3. Communication verbs. Write the verbs in the box next to the correct definitions. Number 1 is done for you as an example. Section 4. Complete the text with the correct form of the verbs in Exercise 3. Number 1 is done as an example.
Thank you for watching this video. See you again. Please don't forget to tick subscribe, like, and hit the golden bell for more videos. See you in the next video.